Hey everyone, welcome back to PolarByte, your one-stop channel for the latest crypto updates, news, and analysis straight from Canada. If you love staying ahead of a curve, understanding market trends before they go viral, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. And remember, none of what I say here is financial advice. I'm just sharing my research and opinions so you can make smarter crypto decisions. So, let's jump straight into today's market pulse. Looking at CoinGecko, the overall crypto market is flashing green again. The global market cap is edging higher, driven largely by Bitcoin's explosive rally this week. Altcoins are trying to catch up, but Bitcoin clearly owns the spotlight right now. And that says a lot about how much momentum we're seeing heading into the final quarter of 2025. Now, Bitcoin, the king of crypto, is once again defying expectations. According to CoinDesk, Bitcoin surged to nearly $111,000, riding a wave of volatility that's keeping traders on their toes. Just last week, BTC dropped almost 7% in a single day before recovering fully. And that whipsaw action tells us one thing: the big money is still here, but the game has changed. Institutional investors are buying dips, not dumping tops. What's more interesting is the underlying reason behind this surge. Analysts believe that the approval of multiple spot Bitcoin ETFs across North America, especially in Canada, has created new, steady demand. Every dip is being absorbed by long-term holders and institutions looking for exposure. The ETF inflows are pouring in, and supply on exchanges is drying up again. It's the classic setup we saw back in early bull cycles, only now the players are much bigger and the stakes are higher. Bitcoin's climb past the 110K level wasn't just technical, it was symbolic. It marks a psychological barrier that many thought would take months to break, but here we are. Traders are already eyeing 120K as the next resistance zone. And if macro conditions stay friendly, meaning no surprise rate hikes or major geopolitical shocks, the chances of a push towards new all-time highs look stronger than ever. But while Bitcoin continues to lead, another huge headline is shaking up the crypto world, one that almost no one saw coming. Donald Trump has officially pardoned Binance founder Changpeng Zhao, or as the world knows him, CZ. Yes, you heard that right. The man behind Binance, who faced intense regulatory scrutiny in the United States, has now been cleared through a presidential pardon. This is massive news, not just for Binance, but for the entire crypto landscape. CZ has always been one of the most influential figures in this space, and his comeback could mean a lot of things. For one, it may signal a policy shift in the US towards greater openness and reconciliation with the crypto industry. Trump has been vocal about supporting innovation and freeing entrepreneurs from what he calls over-regulation, and this move clearly aligns with that stance. But beyond politics, the market's reaction was immediate. BNB, the native token of Binance, started surging again. According to a Cointelegraph report, BNB is having what traders are calling an October revival, a comeback story that few expected. After months of FUD and legal drama, Binance appears to be regaining momentum. They're rolling out new compliance programs, rebuilding partnerships, and working closely with regulators to restore trust. This combination of renewed leadership, strong technicals, and massive community backing could make BNB one of the stealth plays of late 2025. Of course, it's still a volatile asset, and risks are always there, but the sentiment shift is undeniable. The Binance ecosystem, from its Launchpad projects to BNB chain activity, is picking up speed again. Now, if we zoom out a bit, there's something exciting happening in the Canadian crypto space as well. Canada continues to position itself as a global leader in blockchain regulation and innovation. We're seeing growing retail participation through Canadian-approved ETFs, new crypto-friendly fintech startups, and even discussions about tokenized securities making their way into mainstream markets. The SEC's new plan to allow blockchain-based stock trading in the US, reported recently by Cointelegraph, could inspire similar frameworks in Canada too. Imagine a future where your stocks, bonds, and crypto assets all trade seamlessly on the blockchain with instant settlement and full transparency. That's not a distant dream anymore. That's the next chapter of finance, and it's being written as we speak. And this is exactly why the crypto market, even with its wild swings, remains so exciting. Every day brings something new, whether it's macro-level adoption, political decisions that change the game, or technological breakthroughs that push the boundaries of what money can be. So, if you're watching this, I want you to remember, crypto isn't dying, it's evolving. Bitcoin breaking past 111,000, Binance regaining strength, and blockchain technology entering traditional finance, these are signs of maturation, not collapse. Before we wrap up, let me remind you, this isn't financial advice, just my take based on what I'm seeing across the markets and in the data. Always do your own research before investing, and never chase hype without understanding the fundamentals. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to PolarByte, and most importantly, join our Telegram channel, @PolarByte. That's where we share real-time news, airdrop updates, and deep dive analysis that doesn't always make it into the videos. Crypto moves fast, but when you're part of the PolarByte community, you'll always be one step ahead. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay bullish, and keep believing in the power of decentralized finance.